Hello everyone, this is Angela from Land Central, and today I want to talk about land investment. Some say the real money is in real estate. Real estate investing is the fastest and most secure way to build wealth than any other investment option. While it may sound like an expensive venture, in reality anyone can do it. In fact, it is one of the most common ways everyday folks become millionaires, but only when done right. Whether you're a beginner in Land Central or in land investments, or an old hat at it, I'm going to go over some tips and what Land Central can do for you. So getting started, the first thing I would say is to begin small. Invest in something affordable first. Don't dive into a large rental property that throws you in over your head as a landlord to multiple tenants. When in doubt, always choose what you can afford today, not borrow for tomorrow. Never underestimate the superior benefits that come from land investing. A long-term, tangible asset, land doesn't wear out or depreciate, and it's an inexpensive, hands-off investment. Invest in stable assets. The stock market is the rock star of the investing world. Exciting, alluring, and extremely unpredictable. Real estate is a stable record player. Unlike stocks, land isn't going anywhere. It won't disappear overnight or depreciate in value based on the worth of a company. Land appreciates in value each year because we aren't making any more of it. For the most stable asset, choose an urban or growing area in high demand or a property with a variety of potential uses. Another tip is use positive cash flow to invest in bigger and better properties. Whether you invest in a small rental property or vacant land with a wealth of potential, you won't get rich overnight. The secret to investing success is to use your positive cash flow to make larger investments. As a real estate investor, you should aim for a constant growth pattern. Good thing vacant land requires very little startup capital and provides a variety of ways to produce positive cash flow. Investing in real estate is like anything else in life. You get out of it what you put in it. Many mistake real estate as a get-rich-quick scheme. Purchase some property and watch the money roll in. Wrong. Smart real estate investing takes time. Time to learn and time to implement. And before you join the get-rich-quick graveyard of failed investors, let's go over 5 reasons investors fail and how you can avoid it. So number 1, they fail to research. Too many investors dive into real estate head first. They think buying properties equals success. This can lead to buying the wrong property, in the wrong area, with the wrong financing. We call this lazy investing. Lazy investors don't take time to educate themselves, a huge mistake that often means the difference between money in your pocket and money down the drain. How to avoid it? Research, research, research. Take time to educate yourself on the market, in the area of your potential property is located, and the growth rate of the region. Check out the zoning laws. Is there an up and coming or on a downward spiral to Slumville? Are there businesses and jobs coming to town? What types of schools are nearby? Is there a low cost of living? Is it a safe place to live? Will it be easy to add a road or a well to the property? These are just some questions that a quick Google search or a phone call away can save you time and money in the long run. They fail to implement. So on the flip side, there is such thing as too much research, especially when using that research as a stall tactic. This is called analysis paralysis. When a real estate investor or an aspiring investor runs into numbers over and over until they convince themselves it's a bad deal, they end up never actually investing in anything. In short, they research it to death. Before they know it, the deal passes them by. How to avoid it? Have a plan. First, write out the ideal property investment, including how much your cash flow or profit you want to make and how much you want to spend. Next, write out specifics on the deal you're looking for: price, neighborhood, condition, location. Then, one by one, check those things off the list as deals come your way. By having a set of guidelines, you're more likely to set a good deal for what it is and finally be able to move forward with your investment. They try to do everything themselves. One of the most common mistakes many new investor makes is trying to do everything themselves. They think that they'll save money by managing properties themselves. Never mind, most of them don't have experience handling tenant disputes, home repairs, or landscaping issues. Plus, factor in the stress and time spent doing it all, and they end up losing more than what they plan on saving in the end. So how do you avoid this? This depends on the property. For rentals, hiring a property manager can save you time and stress as they handle things like collecting rent, tenant disputes, evictions, and keeping an eye on the property. A good property manager will also keep track of your accounting and taxes each year. For flipping a property, hiring a contractor can save valuable time. And when it comes to flipping, time is of the essence. If you aren't familiar with home improvements, a contractor can get the job done quickly. For raw land investment, outsource the important stuff. Unless you plan on drilling for water yourself, find a specific perk for the plot for a well. Since most investors have full-time jobs, outsourcing is the perfect way to earn without stress. The fourth reason is they invest too much too soon. There's no such thing as investing without risk. However, some investors believe in the go big or go home mentality, often biting off way more than they can chew. They think if a small property made them a little money, then a big property will make them big money. Before long, they don't have the capital to pay loan payments, or they're pulling out too much equity in one property to purchase another. This leads them down to the failure path quicker than you can say, flip that house. How to avoid it? Calculate the numbers. Know exactly how much you can afford to invest and don't consider anything out of your price range. Then calculate how much you need to make on your investment before you can comfortably add another property. Staying cash flow positive is the best testament to a growing investor as opposed to one who's just expanding. Remember, real estate is all about the numbers. Understanding your numbers will pay out big in the end. The fifth reason is they invest on accident. Most first-time investors invest on accident. They either come into the property through inheritance or grow equity in a house they already live in. Rather than sell the house, they decide to rent it out. However, that house, whether inherited or lived in, was never meant to be a rental. So what seems like a good investment to rent turns out to be more of a hassle than it's worth. And before long, they're living with 2 mortgages and struggling to get by. This can often put investors under and have them swearing off real estate investing for good. How to avoid it? Educate yourself on the market. What is the going rate for rentals in your area? Do you have cash flow to support your rental without tenants? If your property is a vacant land, which we offer, look into what other properties in the area are selling for and what amenities buyers are looking for. Should you flip it quickly or hold on to it until the market is right? So now we went over some pitfalls and solutions of land investment. Let's move on to what Land Central has to offer you. For the last few years, we've created especially tailored investor packs for our customers. Again, whether you're new at this or have been in the game for a long time, we have you covered. Investor packs are a grouping of our vacant land into one bundle. We have the beginner packs, the intermediary packs, and the savvy packs. So the beginner packs, if you're ready to get into the game, but you don't know where to start, you crave financial freedom. Some of your friends have made money in the real estate and you want it, but you're cautious. Money doesn't grow on trees where you come from, so you want to take it slow. Say no more. Our investor packs offer the hand-holding you need to get started. Beginner packs bundle multiple properties for as low as $8,000 and no more than $20,000. No experience necessary. No experience? No problem. So properties in our beginner packs are hand-selected based on their low taxes. There's no HOA or homeowner associations, so your holding costs will be low. They have low maintenance, no property upkeep or annoying lawns to mow, flat terrain, good access, and no big surprises. They're basically the minivans of the property world, perfect to get you started. So the intermediate packs, you're no stranger to the real estate game. You started small, followed the rules, and even made a little profit along the way. Now you're itching to grow. Thanks to our investor packs, you'll find the perfect opportunities to take the investing skills to the next level. So our intermediate packs run between $20,000 and $50,000 for a bundle of awesome properties. Some experience required. Our intermediate packs are primed with properties to do just the trick. They're found in the same area, some areas with extreme growth potential, closer to cities, which means faster growth, complete with paved roads, lower risk for not getting a quick ROI or return on investment. Some of them include higher taxes or HOA dues, but that only means they'll have a quicker resale opportunity. And lastly, our savvy packs. This isn't your first rodeo. Your loans are paid off, you own your own properties outright, and you're even cash flow positive. You've bought and sold properties like a boss, and now you're ready for more. Whether you use your appreciation for growth or partner with other big shots to buy bigger properties, our Savvy Packs can help. So our Savvy Packs are large investment opportunities for some of the fastest growing states in the country. No hand-holding required. These properties are scattered throughout multiple counties and states, located in new development areas and or on up-and-coming locations. They have HOA involvement, and they're right for the real estate market timing. These bundles are for big players who know how to buy, flip, maintain, and sell like a boss. Sure, the investments are big, but so is the ROI. We are the real deal when it comes to land investing. We have over 20 years of experience, experts behind the scenes, and thanks to our innovative mindset, we are now bundled properties for your investing convenience. So some of the perks we can offer a land investor through Land Central are these next things. Land Central offers financing through Land Central. It is true, we offer owner financing. No banks, no hassles, no lengthy paperwork requiring 1 million signatures between or beneath small print. We don't even report to credit bureaus, so there are no unnecessary dings to your credit score. It's that easy. With a small down payment, and a typical property runs about $298 after the document fee, you can be investing in land tomorrow. Our interest rates are usually between 9.7 and 11.7 depending on if you choose auto pay. But don't let this number scare you. Credit cards and bank loans carry much higher interest rates, but unlike them, Land Central doesn't have a prepayment penalty, so if you want to pay off your land early or pay it off faster, you can. Like we said, easy. We offer small monthly payments. Thanks to our small monthly payments, you'll have more money to apply towards what really counts, your investment. We offer a 15-day grace period before any late charges. Why? Because we like you. We also want you to succeed, so we're flexible with your due date. Want to match your payments with your pay cycle? No problem. With Land Central as your investing partner, the sky is really the high limit. Instant access to land. Now that we've got the financing and payments out of the way, let's get to the fun stuff. Land Central gives you instant access to land all over the country. Want to purchase a property in the wild wilderness of Alaska? We got you covered. Looking for a little land in the deserts of Arizona? Yep, we got that too. You know, we've even had plots in Hawaii, Colorado, and Florida. And finally, investor packs tailored to you. We don't mean to be a dead horse, but seriously, have you checked out our investor packs? Besides being an innovative way to invest in real estate, these packs offer some serious value. They're tailored to your investing level, consistent of property all over the country, and most require little or no maintenance. Oh, and they're affordable. So that's a little bit about investing in land. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also check us out at Facebook and Instagram, and of course, check out our investor packs at our website at www.landcentral.com. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope you have a great day.